Hi guys, so here we go again for another vlog, and for today's video I'm going to show you guys the documentation of our last project. As part of our final requirement in NSTP, we are tasked to create a program that would help the community, and we propose our project entitled Outreach Program Guide Kids Through Fun Learning. And we have a purpose to make learning enjoyable for children by providing educational materials, and this endeavor might encourage and excite them from an early age to explore new things through fun learning. So without further ado, let's get started.
Kaway-kaway dyan sa mga dito po kami sa Libby Mart namimili. Namimili kami ng mga
hirap umawit mag-isa, ang kasabay lumang gitara, parang walang saysay ang kilos ko sa mundo. Pero ang kinabukasan mo, tungkulin ba ng ibang tao, maghanap ng entablado mo kalaro. Huwag nagpagmasdan ang pangyayari, gumarat gumalaw, lamang sa init ng damdamin, sabay-sabay nang sumigaw. Kilos kabataan, oras natin to makialam, makijama, kilahok. Kilos kabataan, buhay natin to, ang mundong dinatnan tayo magpatakbo. Makijam ka, pare ko.
Taray, tara na. Okay na ba? Tara na, let's go na ha. Tara, let's go na. And after naming mamili ng mga school supplies, ay dumiretso na agad kami sa Lapidario Daycare Center para ipamahagi ang regalo namin para sa mga bata. At nakarating na nga kami sa Barangay Hall, and sisimulan na namin ang aming program. So yeah, pasok na po kami. Diba? Super cute ng mga bata. Super nakakaaliw. Super excited na rin kaming ibahagi sa kanila yung mga gifts na inihanda namin para sa kanila. For sure, with our gifts is matutuwa sila and mapapakinabangan nila ito sa kanilang pag-aaral. So, this project has 100 beneficiaries wherein lahat ng mga bata sa daycare center ay nabigyan namin ng gifts, and lahat ng sections na meron sa daycare center ay nabigyan namin at nahandugan. Kasabay ng aming program ay nagkaroon ng mga bata ng closing party at sumabay lang kami sa kanilang selebrasyon. At bilang kapalit ng pagpapasaya nila sa amin tuwing tinutulungan namin sila, every hour duty in this barangay, umaasa kami na sa aming munting handog ay makapagbigay din kami ng saya para sa kanila. It is amazing to see that we achieve success with this program. And we wouldn't be able to do that without the help of these amazing people. With Ate Jama, Becky, Ate Rana, and Miss Yolanda, we were able to make things possible and successful. And I would like to take this opportunity to thank them for guiding and helping us to do our task inside the barangay hall. We learned a lot from them, and we gained so many experience, unforgettable and memorable experience that will be beneficial for us in the near future. We will forever cherish that unforgettable moments that we had with them. We believe that children are our future, and we see bright futures ahead of them. We wanted to be part of their journey and make a mark in their life that somehow there is kuyas and ates that encourage them to explore things in the world through proper education. This video will be the testimony that kids are an important entity of a community. If kids are guided by their parents and loved ones to achieve their dreams, we would have a better society and community to live in.